Hello and welcome to walkthrough solve number 2. This is for the beginner level of the Rex Cube. I'm assuming you've probably already seen the first one and at least have a decent idea of how to solve the puzzle now. Let's jump right in. Little r prime, little b. R, b prime, l prime. Little f prime, little b, little l prime and little f. F prime, little r prime, little b. R prime, l prime, little r. That was a little l prime. L prime, little f prime, b, little l prime, f, r prime, little f prime, f, b, r, b prime, little r prime, little l, l prime, and little f prime. Okay, so once again, we're going to start with white. And I can see blue, green, or yellow, and red and orange is here. Okay, so the red piece belongs here. Unfortunately, if I put the red piece in, I knock out the blue. So we hide the blue piece, solve the red, and then unhide the blue piece. And then we have our orange. So instead of hiding anything, we can effectively reveal the slot and insert the orange edge like so. Okay, here is our blue and orange, which belongs in this slot here. So we move it thusly. Our red and green belongs here, and our orange and green belongs here. And then finally there's our red and blue. So just a quick one. If you notice that as you're inserting your last middle layer edge, the stickers match, instead of putting this one straight away, like so, move it out of the way so that when you undo the move, this one's already solved. Sometimes you'll get a skip. In this case, we didn't. Then our final layer algorithm. And then we start solving centers. So let's put the yellow in, like so. That'll actually solve the green. And here's the white. So we'll pop it in here. And then we're left with 3. The red, the orange, and the blue. So once again, we bring the red up, match the red center to those pieces, undo the first move, undo the second move. Now, I happen to just be looking at the blue, so we might as well solve this one first. There's no right or wrong way to approach which order you solve the faces, but I just saw 2 of the blues already solved. So these 2 swap. Nice and easy. And then, unfortunately, this is on an opposite face, but we can do a couple of setup moves, like so. Remember your order of setup moves. And now we've solved the blue face. So then we want to solve an adjacent face. So the yellow, red, orange, or white are contenders. And you'll notice that 3 of these faces have 2 pieces solved. So we might as well just solve one of those. Let's go ahead and do the yellow, since I can see a yellow piece here. Now these 2 don't switch too easily straight away, so we need to flip these 2, like this. And now we can swap them. You'll notice that now we would ideally swap the orange with this piece here, but it's white, not yellow. So, there's our yellow piece. So we swap these 2, like so. And now these 2 are ready for a swap. So now that I've solved the yellow face and the blue face, I need to solve a co-adjacent face, either the red or the orange. And look at that, the orange is only 1 swap away. It only has 1 piece left. So we'll just make that swap. Okay, so now we have those 3 done. We only have 3 faces to look at. So the first swap, we can just go straight into solving for the red/green. These 2, nice and easy. Like so. And then here we have an interesting case. We have these 2 that match up and these 2 that match up. Remember your flipping algorithm. So if I were to swap these 2, then I'd also flip this one to this location. And unfortunately, if the white was here, I'd have to do another flipping algorithm to swap them. So instead of doing that, I'll deliberately solve these 2 first, since I'll be flipping this line here. You can of course rotate the puzzle in any way so that the flipping algorithm only affects the pieces you care about. Finally, we have these two to flip, and then it's solved. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions, just leave them in the comments below.